Hello, my name is Anastasia, and we didn't meet each other for a long time. And I'm glad you joined us today. Today, we are interviewing a person without whom the recruitment of personnel in our company, the selection of developers for projects would be impossible. And I'm talking about our headhunter, Dasha. Hi, Dasha, how do you feel?
Hi, Anastasia. I'm glad to see you. I'm all right, thanks. And what about you? I'm looking forward to beginning of our interview.
Okay, I'm doing great. Thank you. I suggest starting our interview, and I have a couple of questions for you. Let's start from the very beginning. Why did you come to recruitment? And please tell us about your work experience.
Well, let's start. So now I have been working as HR manager, recruiter for more than 2 years. In Interexi, I have been working since its foundation. And I would like to tell you that in our company, you can make a quick career. For example, when I entered Interexi, I was HR manager, but now after 2 years of hard work, I'm head of department. As regards my duties, I manage the full cycle recruiting process for assigned positions, including sourcing, screening, interviewing, selection, negotiating, and closing candidates. Develop creative sourcing strategies to attract passive candidates, also attract top talent via networking, social promotions, and other innovative approaches. Participate in creating and implementing overall recruiting and employer branding strategy. Ensure candidates are given exceptional experience. Maintain a positive, productive, and cohesive work environment by dealing with workplace conduct, conflict resolution, counseling, employee engagement, and other employee relations activities. Also organize corporate events and adapt to our employees.
Okay. I know that as the head of the department, you are involved in team building. So, what is your role? And please tell us about the guys who work with you.
Okay, I distribute team building requests. Also work with the process, change it, add new stages for the effective work of my team. The team of HR department closely cooperate with our sales department. First of all, to start developing a project, we need qualified developers. This process begins from the creation of request for the team. This is where recruiters' work begins. Recruiters is searching developers on different platforms, interview candidates, check their soft skills level of English, and after successful completing these stages, developers have a technical interview with our tech lead. Afterwards, we have a qualified team for achieve our goals.
Okay, so now I can see the system, and thus every project we start is not complete without contact with the headhunter department. And in general, what are you guys doing in the department?
The main goal of our team is searching qualified employees. For example, project managers, business analysts, designers, sales managers, developers, and HR managers, for example, yeah, for working in our company. We also try to take care of our employees and maintain a favorable team climate.
Okay, and what difficulties and challenges do you face on a daily basis?
Yeah, at first glance, HR's work seems easy, but in reality, it's not. We sometimes encounter rejections from candidates, problems that relate to employee satisfaction and engagement. The main challenge for us is to find the truly most qualified candidate.
Okay, and what do you think the success of the project and the company depends on?
Success of the project and company really depends on team because people who really interested in achieve project or company goals can change the world around us.
Okay, that's great. I received answers to all my questions, and the interview turned out to be really intense and interesting, it seems to me. So now we have gotten to know the Headhunters department even more. and know what kind of people they are. I'm just kidding, but thank you for your time. It was really pleasant to spend it with you, and bye-bye, everyone.
Anastasia, thank you very much. I was glad to answer all your questions. See you soon. Bye-bye.